1. Hook. Imagine waking up one morning to find your AWS bill skyrocketed to 100,000 rupees overnight. What if I told you it all came down to one simple setting? Let's dive into how this happened, and more importantly, how to prevent it from happening to you. This isn't just about money, it's about learning from mistakes to build a sustainable cloud strategy. 3. The simple explanation. AWS offers numerous services and features, which can be overwhelming. Among these is the auto-scaling feature. While this is designed to manage resources dynamically based on demand, it can also inflate costs if not set correctly. If your auto-scaling group is misconfigured, you might end up launching too many instances, leading to a hefty bill. 4. Real-world example. Let's consider a hypothetical startup called Foodie Finder. They launched an app to connect users with local restaurants. Initially, they set up a small EC2 instance for their application. As user demand grew, they enabled auto-scaling to handle the traffic surge. Here's where the problem started. They set the minimum instances to 1 and the maximum to 50. During a promotional event, their user load spiked unexpectedly. With poor traffic predictions, the auto-scaling group spun up 45 additional instances to handle the load. In just one night, the cost jumped to 100,000 rupees. They hadn't configured proper scaling policies or alarm thresholds. They learned the hard way that scaling without limits can lead to financial disaster. 5. What to do instead. To avoid the tragedy that struck Foodie Finder, follow these steps. Step 1. Understand your traffic patterns, analyze historical data. Look for peak usage times. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor traffic trends. Step 2. Set realistic auto-scaling policies. CPU utilization, network traffic, etc. For example, set CPU utilization to trigger scaling when it exceeds 70%. Step 3. Define minimum and maximum instances. Start with a conservative approach. For instance, if you typically need 2 instances during peak times, set the minimum to 2 and maximum to 10. Step 4. Implement scaling cooldowns. Add cooldown periods to prevent multiple rapid scaling actions. A good cooldown period could be 300 seconds. This prevents your system from overreacting to brief spikes. Step 5. Configure alarms and notifications. Use AWS CloudWatch to set billing alarms. Set a threshold, like 5,000 rupees. If your bill approaches this amount, receive an alert. These steps will help you manage costs effectively while using AWS auto-scaling features. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Not monitoring usage. Many forget to monitor resource usage. Use CloudWatch dashboards to visualize your data. Set alerts for unusual spikes. Mistake 2. Ignoring instance types. Using large instance types can inflate costs. Start with smaller instances and scale up as necessary. Use the AWS calculator to estimate costs. Mistake 3. Forgetting to terminate unused resources. Instances and storage can accumulate. Regularly audit your resources and shut down anything unused. Implement tagging for better visibility. Mistake 4. Poorly configured load balancers. Misconfigured load balancers can lead to unnecessary instance launches. Review your load balancer settings and make sure they fit your application needs. Mistake 5. Not testing scaling policies. Failure to test scaling policies can lead to surprises. Simulate traffic spikes in a controlled environment to see how your system responds. 7. Quick checklist before you hit the deploy button. Use this quick checklist. Have you analyzed your traffic patterns? Are your scaling policies realistic? Did you set minimum and maximum instance limits? Did you implement cooldown periods? Are you receiving billing alerts? 8. Summary plus CTA. To wrap up, managing AWS costs is essential for any startup or engineer. The example of Foodie Finder serves as a cautionary tale. By understanding how auto-scaling works and implementing best practices, you can prevent budget disasters. If you found this video helpful, comment below with your experiences or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical cloud engineering insights. Let's build smarter together. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.